Well, bike check, good morning. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Gangsa Bike Park, Singapore. So we're doing a bike check. It's a 2024 Santa Cruz Megatower V2 in gloss purple color. This is a custom bike, custom build. So this is my personal bike. So we start with the cockpit. My handlebar is Santa Cruz handlebar. Then grips is Troily, TLD, ODI. Brakes is my levers, XTR levers. But my brake calipers are Magura MT7 Pro. Both Magura. Rotors for my brakes is Magura MDRP. Fork is Fox 38 factory Kashima 170mm travel. Wheel set, I have a Santa Cruz Reserve 31DH carbon running with Industry 9 purple with a custom spokes, purple and silver. So both wheel set at the back also running 31DH Santa Cruz Reserve with the I9 hubs. My tires are Maxxis Assegai in front and DHR2 at the back. Okay, of course the frame Megatower CC 2024 gloss purple. Rear suspension is EXT Estoya V3 running at 170 travel, 165 to 170. The spring is 375 pounds. The upper is Fox Transfer Kashima also, and remote for dropper is Wolfkit. Saddle is Koda WTB. Group set, I'm running XX transmission. Crank carbon XX transmission. A stock O-ring XX transmission. Derailleur. My cassette is XO. Chain is also XO. The T-type transmission. Of course the shifter for AXS, I'm using the old one. Pedals is Mallet DH pedal. Purple, pink color, not purple. That's Seagame signature. Headset, Cruise King. Headset and race face stem. Of course feedlock. You have the feedlock. Have a custom carbon rock guards for the protection. Of course, ride wrap with the ride wrap, and that's my bike.
Push me dyan. Vlogger?
Vlogger sa'yo to.
Hindi nabutan eh. Ang bilis. Bilis siya. Tingnan mo naman ang plato niya. Yung
Sound check, 1, 2. Sound check. Yan.
para umabot dito.
Dalawa pa.
Para mag-sync yung audio.
Mic check, 1, 2. Mic check. Para mag-sync daw. Ang alin? OneDrive. Tsaka ano? Google Drive. Hoy, mic check. Good morning. Balita mo ay...
If you're new to the channel, please like, share, tell your friends. Tell
Pindutin
your
ko ang
hot
grapper
friends.
ko.
Just kidding. And of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride. Ride on.
Ay, hindi.